So guys, we have our sample project on. Now if we move into timeline, as you can see around this point we have all of the videos. So suppose you want to export from this point to this point. For that, move to the starting position, then go to File, Export Project, Export Video. Let's give it a name like Comparison. Then the advanced option. Now the start frame and the end frame. As you can see that our playhead is at the point 3.20 and our project have 29.97 fps. So the start frame should be 3 into 29.97 plus 20. So 109.91. That means 110. And the end frame around 6 seconds. So 6 into 29.97, which means 180. Then export video. So our output video length will be 2 seconds. Inside H drive, OpenShot, this is our video. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.